how to list multiple items on eBay in one listing. Hello guys, and welcome back to today's video. In today's video, we will be exploring and showing you guys how you will be able to list multiple items all at once or in one go to your eBay store. Now in today's video, we will be utilizing Shopify that would make all of this operation possible. Because in eBay in itself, you won't be able to list or bulk list a lot of product all at once. So for example, if I go over here on our eBay and select on sell, then click on list an item, we would only be able to create one listing at a time. As you can see here, there will be no bulk listing. But through the magic of Shopify, which is a great platform, we will be able to do just that. So first things first, go and create an account in Shopify. This is a very important part. Shopify, or rather this step, is something you cannot skip because this is something you need to make all of this possible. So first things first, Shopify store, set it up. After that, this is what you're going to see after you set up your store. Simply click on the search over here on the top and click on or search for eBay. Now, as you can see, no result found, but there will be an option here, search for eBay in Shopify App Store. Simply select that, and then you will be redirected to another page, which is the Shopify App Store, which is filled with different types of apps from different developers that would just improve your experience in Shopify and extend its different features. As you can see here, there will be a lot of options. There's a total of 196 apps. So which app should we use? Now, the app that you should use is called Shopify Marketplace. Now, this app would allow us to connect Shopify and eBay together, allowing us to either import from eBay to Shopify or the other way around, where we import Shopify products into our eBay account, which is where we will be able to do the bulk updating or the bulk listing of different types of products. So over here, simply select that, and this is what you're going to see. It is free to install, and there will be additional charges on some features, but you will be able to install it freely, as you can see here. So simply click on install, and you will be able to install it. Now, what does it look like? Now, assuming you have installed it, let me refresh our Shopify over here so that we could view. Assuming you have installed it, it should appear over here on your apps. So if you select your apps over here, you will be able to see your installed app, Marketplace Connect. So simply open that, and we will be able to see here our app. This is the app that would allow us to connect our Shopee and eBay. There we go. Now, right now, I have already connected it. So this is what I'm seeing. But before I connected mine, you will be able to see like eBay or Amazon, all of the stuff, other platforms. So you will be connecting it with your eBay by simply selecting an option, connect to eBay. But that's that. That is the connection, or that is how we were able to establish a connection between eBay and Shopify. Now, how do we list bulk items? Now, we will be doing it in Shopify as well, but under products over here. Simply select products and simply click on add products over here. If you select add products, you will be able to add products one by one. Now, that's still not the output or the way we want, because we want bulk listing or bulk upload of different products. So to be able to bulk upload, you're going to select an option over here, import. By clicking on import, we will be able to import products by a CSV. Now, what do we need, or what is the format of the CSV? You could easily download a sample CSV over here, which I have over here, so that we could check out how or what it would look like. So let us open our CSV over here. Let us try opening it with our browser. Or rather, I guess we could open it with our Excel over here. There we go. This is what it should look like. As you can see, the handle over here, the title, and the body over here, you will be able to see the HTML. You will be able to see information over here. Let's fix this. There we go. The vendor, the product category, you could put them in here, the types, all of those stuff. There we go. You could follow this template so that you know what to do and what to put. Here we go. Option number 1, title. Option number 2, There you go. So you could either modify this or you could copy the template and put in your own information, all those stuff. But as you can see here, there is a lot of information that you will be able to see, variants, some materials, the cottons, all of those stuff. So everything you will be able to see here, and you will be able to modify. So for example, here, let's actually, I want to change our title over here. Our title right now is example t-shirts. For example, here I would like to create a title, corduroy jacket, but something like that. And then you could do the following: update all of this stuff, add other stuff over here if you want. You could simply copy and paste it over here, then simply add as many as you want over here. But anyway, after this, you could easily save your CSV or your sheet over here. Go back over here and look for the file, your template, whether you created your own CSV or all of the stuff. But as you can see here, you will be able to upload it. Now, the next step is that you could either publish new products to all sales channel, which includes eBay, by the way, and you could either override products with matching handles, as you can see. So it would replace existing products already if there is existing products. So you could upload that and just simply wait. There we go. As you can see, it will be able to identify the different products. And you can see here, one of our items is corduroy jacket, which is something we just updated earlier, as you can see here. And you could even add description, product status, all of this stuff. So simply import product. As you can see here, product import in progress. We're currently importing your products into your store. So simply wait for a few seconds or a few minutes, depending on the amount of items you have imported. But as you can see here, we have here an updated section. We have corduroy jacket over here. So now we're going to go to our marketplace over here. Now what it should show us is our different listing. As you can see, we can manage listing, and you have your options over here as well. So now after that, you could simply link listing over here. There we go. So this is our store over here in eBay. So the fact that it is already appearing in the listing means that it should already be also be uploaded to our eBay over here, which is also connected. So over here, you can enable the listing. Over here, you can change the different information. You can put in the eBay title over here, the eBay category, the price, all of those things you will be able to modify from Shopify itself as well. So once you're done with everything, once everything has been filled, the information, you will be able to save it, and it will be able to be listed, or currently, as you can see, it's publishing, but you will be able to publish it on your eBay. So you're just going to have to wait for the linking status to be finished publishing, and it will appear on your eBay store. So that's basically it, guys. Just follow the process, follow the format, the template. You can add as many information or as many products as you want by simply following the instructions. So that's basically it, guys. If you enjoyed this video, leave a like and subscribe. Thanks for watching.